Peach Street 500W Hand Immersion Blender. Struggling with lumpy smoothies? The Peach Street 500W Hand Immersion Blender makes quick work of meal prep. This powerful blender has a 500-watt motor and sharp blades so you can grind fruits, veggies, or even ice. The Turbo Boost tackles tougher ingredients like frozen fruit. You'll love how quickly you can create healthy recipes. Plus, it's super easy to clean. The detachable base pops right off. The blades are dishwasher safe. The slim, ergonomic design allows for a steady grip. Now you can spend less time prepping and more time enjoying delicious, smooth results. Imagine effortlessly making soups, sauces, and baby food. The Peach Street Blender will make meal prep smoother. Zulay Powerful Milk Frother Handheld. Do you crave those foamy lattes but hate the coffee shop lines? The Zulay Powerful Milk Frother can solve that. Imagine crafting cafe-quality drinks right at home. This handheld frother whips milk into perfect froth in seconds. So easy to use. It's lightweight and fast. You get creamy cappuccinos and hot chocolate instantly. Forget complicated gadgets. Cleanup is quick. Just rinse the whisk. You'll save time and money. Now, picture this. You're enjoying a delicious, frothy latte every morning. No more expensive coffee runs, and you control the ingredients. The Zulay Frother transforms your kitchen into your own personal cafe, making every day a little more luxurious. Instant Read Meat Thermometer Dual Probe. Ever overcooked a roast or struggled with grilling multiple meats at once? The Instant Read Meat Thermometer Dual Probe solves that. It monitors 2 items simultaneously so you don't have to guess. No more dry chicken. This thermometer has dual probes for multi-use, meats, liquids, even frying oil. It gives a reading in just 3 seconds. Plus, the hold function locks the temp, and the backlit screen is so easy to read. You get accurate temps every single time. Picture this: perfectly cooked steak and chicken, both ready at the same time. Dinner is stress-free, and everyone raves about your cooking. Reliable, precise results every meal. Loratt Coffee Mug Warmer Auto Shutoff. Ever reheat coffee only for it to get cold again? The Loratt Mug Warmer solves that. It keeps drinks at a perfect 149 degrees, so you get a warm sip every time. No more rushing. You can set it to 113, 131, or 149 to match what you're drinking: coffee, tea, even hot chocolate. Plus, the auto shutoff gives you peace of mind. Just place your mug on it. It works with steel, ceramic, or glass. Imagine sipping consistently warm coffee all morning while you work, or relaxing with hot tea after a long day. The Loratt Mug Warmer keeps your favorite drinks ready when you are. Simple, safe, and perfect temperature. Sissigoo 14x10 Titanium Cutting Board. Dealing with flimsy cutting boards? The Sissigoo Titanium Board ends that frustration. It's 100 pure titanium, same grade used in medical tools. That means it's super durable and completely non-toxic. You can chop anything, fruits, veggies, even meat, with total peace of mind. Plus, the included silicone mat keeps it rock solid. No slipping, no sliding. Dishwasher safe. Cleanup is a breeze. Imagine prepping food faster, cleaner, and safer. No more wobbly boards, no more lingering odors. Just a solid, hygienic surface that makes cooking easier and more enjoyable. This board will be a reliable addition to your kitchen. Kitchen Mama Epic One Multifunction Opener. Ever struggle with stubborn jar lids? The Kitchen Mama Epic One Opener is here to help. This multi-tool effortlessly opens bottles and jars, taking the pain out of meal prep. One push is all it takes to remove lids safely and smoothly. You'll love how this opener handles tough beer bottle caps and soda cans with ease. No more struggling with weak hands or arthritis. The ergonomic design and leverage make opening anything a breeze. Imagine quickly opening everything you need for a barbecue without any frustration. The Epic One is compact and versatile, making it your essential kitchen tool. It brings convenience and ease to everyday tasks. Full Star Mandolin Slicer and Veg Chopper. Ever spend too long prepping veggies? Chopping onions always makes me cry, and dicing takes forever. The Full-Star Mandolin Slicer Veg Chopper is my new secret weapon. It has multiple blades, letting you slice, dice, and julienne in seconds. You can make uniform cuts every time. The finger guard keeps you safe, and the container catches everything, reducing mess. Now I prep salads faster than ever, and stir-fries are a breeze. Imagine perfectly diced veggies without all the tears and wasted time. It's durable, easy to clean, and simplifies healthy cooking. This tool really upgrades meal prep, so you can enjoy cooking more often. Sicily Black Stainless Steel Sponge Holder. Is your sink constantly cluttered with sponges and brushes? It's so annoying, right? The Sicily Black Stainless Steel Sponge Holder can help. This sleek caddy has a rotatable spout directing water right into the sink. No more countertop mess. It also fits neatly even in small kitchens. The Sicily holds your detergent, sponge, stopper, and several brushes. Imagine everything organized in one spot. No more searching for the scrub brush buried under a pile of clutter. With the Sicily, your kitchen sink area will finally stay neat and clean. It really transforms your daily routine, making cleanup so much easier. Astercook 12-piece stainless knife set? Struggling with dull knives? Food prep taking forever? I tried the Astercook 12-piece knife set, and wow, what a difference! These German stainless steel blades are seriously sharp. You'll notice cleaner cuts, less squishing of tomatoes, and a much easier time carving that chicken. Plus, the ergonomic handles fit comfortably, even during long prep sessions. I love that this set includes every knife I need, from the chef's knife for big jobs to the paring knife for delicate work. The blade guards keep everything safe in the drawer. Now cooking is faster, easier, and honestly, way more enjoyable. A truly functional and stylish kitchen upgrade. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Mornings hectic? Craving waffles but dread the mess? The Dash Mini Waffle Maker might be the answer. This little gadget makes perfect 4-inch waffles quickly and easily. You just plug it in and it heats up in minutes. The non-stick surface means no stuck batter and super easy cleanup. Think crispy waffles, hash browns, or even chaffles, all in single servings. It's so compact, it fits in any kitchen, big or small. Imagine starting your day with a delicious, guilt-free waffle without the fuss. No more bulky appliances or messy cleanup, just quick, easy, and fun waffles whenever you want. Cucini Electric Chocolate Fondue Set. Ever wish dessert could be more interactive? The Cucini Electric Chocolate Fondue Set solves that. It's a compact chocolate melting pot perfect for dipping. The detachable tray makes serving super easy. Plus, cleanup is quick. The temperature control keeps chocolate smooth, no scorching. You get 4 skewers for dipping fun. Imagine movie nights elevated. Serve strawberries or marshmallows. Game nights become more special. It's not just about fondue, it's about shared moments. Cucini brings simple indulgence to your home. Fun and delicious memories, easily made. Enjoy easy, interactive dessert nights. Dice Pro Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater. Ever struggle zesting lemons? Get bits of pith, making recipes bitter? The Dice Pro Zester solves that. This tool's razor-sharp blade effortlessly grates, whether it's hard cheeses like Parmesan or delicate lemon zest. You'll get fluffy cheese or fine zest, no struggling. The non-slip handle adds extra control, even with wet hands. Cleaning is easy, just rinse it under the tap. Imagine fresh Parmesan on pasta in seconds, or lemon zest adding brightness to your baking without the bitterness. The Dice Pro Zester. Unlock pure flavor, easily. Enjoy cooking more. MyPore 13-in-1 Vegetable Chopper and Slicer. Dreading chopping veggies every night? Takes forever, right? The MyPore 13-in-1 Vegetable Chopper Slicer might be your answer. It's got tons of blades. You can dice onions without crying, slice potatoes perfectly, or shred carrots in seconds. Think of it, meal prep time cut in half. No more uneven cuts. Plus, it's all contained, so cleanup is a breeze. Imagine prepping a week's worth of salads in just one evening. More free time. This makes healthy eating way easier with less mess. You'll have consistent results. It really simplifies cooking. Ecolution Glass Microwave Popcorn Popper. Craving popcorn but tired of greasy bags and weird additives? The Ecolution Glass Popcorn is your answer. This cleverly designed popper uses heat-safe glass for even popping, no oil needed. You get healthy, delicious popcorn in minutes. The lid even measures kernels and melts butter. How convenient is that? Cleaning's a breeze since it's dishwasher safe. Imagine movie nights with fresh, guilt-free popcorn. It's simple, eco-friendly, and turns everyday snacking into a treat. This little gadget makes healthy, tasty popcorn so easy. Circle Joy Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Ever get annoyed with messy, uneven seasoning? I do. The Circle Joy Electric Grinder solves that. It's simple. Just flip it and you get perfectly ground salt or pepper. No buttons. You choose the coarseness, from fine to coarse, so your food always tastes exactly how you want. Imagine perfectly seasoned steaks or flavorful salads effortlessly. The LED light helps you see how much you're adding. It's also rechargeable and durable. This grinder is a sleek, convenient upgrade. Now every meal is consistently delicious. Easy, right? It's seasoning made simple. Adam G Pulled Chicken Shredder Tool. Ever spend too long shredding chicken for tacos? The Adam G Pulled Chicken Shredder Tool is here to help. Its anti-slip mat means it stays put, while the ergonomic handle makes twisting easy on your hands. The plastic teeth shred chicken, pork, or beef quickly and evenly, unlike using forks. It is so efficient. You'll get perfectly shredded wheat every single time for meal prep. Imagine making quick work of family meals. Cleanup's simple too, with the included brush. You will save time and effort. This tool makes healthy cooking a breeze. Sangkan Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Struggling with uneven seasoning? Tired of messy spills? The Sangkan Electric Grinder ends that. Forget two-handed shakers. It's one-touch ease. Just flip and you get perfectly ground spices. The LED light stops over-seasoning. Plus, it has a large clear container so you see when you need a refill, and refilling is super easy. Cleaning is simple too. Parts separate quickly. Imagine effortless dinners, consistently delicious. A simple flip delivers professional results. It saves time and reduces mess. Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set. Is garlic prep your least favorite kitchen task? I know it can be a pain. The Zule Kitchen Premium Garlic Press Set makes it so easy. The stainless steel press crushes cloves in seconds. You get fresh garlic flavor without sticky hands. Plus, the included silicone peeler quickly removes the skin. No more struggling. Imagine adding fresh garlic to your dishes every time. Cleanup is a breeze because it's dishwasher safe. The sturdy build means it will last. It's perfect for anyone who loves to cook and wants to save time. Enjoy freshly minced garlic easily.